If you've got Berber carpet, you know how tricky it can be to keep it clean without damaging those delicate fibers. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe. I love the bright blue design, and it's priced competitively for its features. If you want powerful suction and versatility to tackle both carpets and hard floors, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's talk about why this vacuum shines for Berber carpets. The powerful suction is a game changer for deep cleaning, pulling dirt and allergens from those tight weave fabrics. Plus, with the lift-away functionality, you can detach the pod to clean stairs and upholstery without lugging the whole vacuum around. The HEPA filter is a big plus, trapping 99.9% of allergens, which is crucial if you have pets or allergies. It's got a large 0.9 quart dust cup, so you won't be constantly stopping to empty it. Over 20,000 people have purchased this in just the last month, showing it's a popular choice. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it can be a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to carry, this may not be it. But if you want a heavy-duty cleaner that can get the job done, it's still a great option. This is perfect for you if you have pets that shed or a home with lots of carpeted areas. Skip this one if you need something super light for quick touch-ups. For the price, it really delivers value. Now, if the weight of the Shark Navigator bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Shark Navigator Lift-Away. We have the Shark Upright Vacuum Cleaner, the NV356E model. It's priced at $199.99 and has a sleek white and silver design that looks good in any home. If you want something that can handle both carpets and hard floors while being easy to maneuver, this is definitely worth considering. What I love about this Shark model is how it combines a powerful lift-away feature with a lightweight design. It has a HEPA filter that works alongside a complete seal to trap almost all allergens and dust. This is especially important for Berber carpets, which can trap dirt deep within their fibers. The brush roll shutoff allows you to switch quickly from carpet to bare floor, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. The 0.87-liter dust cup means fewer interruptions while cleaning, and its swivel steering helps you navigate around furniture easily. However, I did see some complaints about the cord length being a bit short, which might limit your cleaning range. But honestly, if you're used to traditional vacuums, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still got a lot of power and convenience going for it. This is perfect for you if you want versatility and power combined. Skip this one if you need a long reach without moving around too much. Overall, for $199.99, it offers solid performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a cordless experience. Number 3, Card Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Let's look at the Card Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Priced at just $89.99, it's a budget-friendly choice that still packs some serious cleaning power. If you're looking for freedom of movement without cords getting in the way, this one's worth your attention. This vacuum boasts an impressive 500-watt motor that provides a suction power of 40 kPa, which is really strong for a cordless model. It can tackle pet hair and dirt with ease on both carpets and hard floors. The 60-minute runtime is fantastic for a full clean, and the anti-tangle design means you won't have to worry about hair getting caught in the brush. Plus, the V-shaped floor brush helps capture debris without scattering it, which is a must for Berber carpets. Some users have mentioned that the suction can diminish as the battery drains. Here's the thing though, if you use it in the recommended modes, you shouldn't run into major issues, and the convenience it offers makes it a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want portability and ease of use. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional vacuum with constant power. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something with specialized features for pet owners, let's move on to the next option. Product number 4, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. We have the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff. At $149.99, it's aimed directly at pet owners. If you're dealing with a lot of pet hair on your Berber carpet, this vacuum is designed specifically for that need.
The suction power of this model is impressive, effectively lifting dirt and fur from even the thickest carpets. The lift-off detachable pod is perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach areas, like under furniture or on stairs. Another great feature is the HEPA sealed allergen system, which captures allergens and prevents them from escaping back into your home. This is particularly beneficial for anyone with allergies or small children. Plus, the tangle-free brush roll means you won't be constantly untangling hair, making cleaning much more efficient. However, some users have noted that the dirt tank could be larger. But honestly, for a vacuum that's made to tackle pet hair, I think the performance outweighs this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets and need efficient cleaning. Skip this one if you don't have pets or have minimal cleaning needs. For the price, it delivers excellent performance for pet owners. Now, if you're after something compact, let's check out the next product.
Product number 5, Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo. We have the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo. It's lightweight at just 10 pounds, making it a great option for those who want a full-size vacuum without the bulk. If you live in an apartment or dorm, this might just be the solution you're looking for. The powerful suction is packed into a compact design, which makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and clean your Berber carpets. It also features scatter-free technology, which minimizes mess when cleaning hard floors. The quick-release extension wand allows you to reach above floor areas without any hassle, which is perfect for cleaning stairs and upholstery. However, some users mentioned that it may not have the same suction power as larger models. Here's the thing. For a compact vacuum meant for smaller spaces, it does a great job without the bulk. This is perfect for you if you're in a small living space and need something lightweight. Skip this one if you have a large home with extensive carpeted areas. For its size and capabilities, it's a good value. Now let's wrap this up and compare all 5 options.
We've looked at the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe, Shark Upright Vacuum, Card Vacuum Cleaner, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser, and Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser because it's specifically designed for pet owners and does a fantastic job on Berber carpets. Avoid the Card Vacuum Cleaner if you prefer a consistent power experience over portability.